Hello everyone, today we are here with Kirti Mathur to discuss regarding top reasons of US visa refusal. Let's talk about it. What are the common mistakes in filling out the visa application form DS-160 and how can they lead to rejection? While filling DS-160, the applicants majorly do not emphasize or focus on filling the correct information in it. So some of the common mistakes that they do are providing inaccurate personal information, not providing information about their previous visa denials, inaccurate information about their education, about their employment, or sometimes giving generic answers to the questions. Visa officer during the interview take references from the DS-160 and ask questions for which information is already filled in it. Now, when applicant answers that question and if the answer does not match with the DS-160, the visa is denied. How can you prove strong ties to your home country to strengthen your visa application? The visa officer requires assurance that the applicant would not stay back and would return to his home country. Now, to showcase that you would not return, applicant should focus and should showcase that they have a stable employment in the home country or they can have businesses as well. So now when they have stable job, when they have businesses in the home country, it reduces the chances of the overstay and increases the chances that they would return to their home country. Apart from this, having family, having properties, and having financial stabilities are some of the other reasons or other concerns that visa officer may look into. Why is having a clear purpose for the travel proof? Having the clear purpose in your travel is very critical in US application because it helps the visa officer to determine or to check that your intentions align with the visa type that you have applied for. So clear purpose builds credibility and addresses the overstay concern. Hence, it is very important that applicant should have a clear purpose and they showcase the same during the interview as well. How does expert guidance like the service we offer improve the chance of a successful US visa application? We provide expert guidance on different type of US visas depending on the applicant's or client's requirements. Our experts perform in-depth analysis of applicant's profile to ensure that their application is represented accurately and appropriately. So the forms, specifically DS-160 form that is submitted, is also checked by our quality experts. Apart from this, we also ensure that the applicant's application is accurate and error-free. We also guide our clients on what kind of documents they should carry with them during the interview. We also customize our strategies depending on what kind of cases we receive, and we also prepare that for visa interview. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any query, please comment us below. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and stay updated.